Hi, may I help you?
Kathy Sylvia is a senior project manager at Chesterfield County Public Schools. She demonstrates the new vestibule at Clover Hill High.
Safety and security is one of our most important objectives for our school system here in Chesterfield. And some of our buildings were not designed with what we would consider to be a secure vestibule.
A bit more than half of the roughly 70 schools in Chesterfield are currently being retrofitted with vestibules. The rest of the schools in the county already have them.
But at the end of the day, we will have had 38 schools completed and a much more secure location for teaching and learning.
Visitors to a school will scan their IDs at the front entrance, and a system called Raptor will determine if they can enter. It's described as a sort of security airlock.
Visitors to the front of the building are directed immediately to the front office and don't have a free access to get into the building without checking in and ensuring they have appropriate credentials.
The county is spending a bit more than $5 million on the vestibules. Administrators say the project should be complete by the first day of class in August. For VPM News, I'm Billy Shields.